Your kitchen is the world where the swirl of tomato sauce, the rich, savory scent of cooked sausage, and the tender embrace of pasta dough converge into a culinary masterpiece. This isn't just any dish, it's sausage ravioli, a comfort food that wraps its delicious arms around your soul. Recipe in description. And guess what? The magic of creating this dish lies right here, waiting to be unlocked. The journey of making sausage ravioli at home is a Sunday afternoon project that pays off not just in the delectable bites but in the laughter and messiness of flour-covered counters and the warmth of shared experiences. You, with flour on your cheek, standing victorious with a tray of perfectly crimped ravioli, each one a small treasure chest bursting with rich, meaty sausage, herb ricotta, and molten mozzarella. It starts with a dough, a simple blend of flour, eggs, and a pinch of salt, coming together under your hands to form a soft, pliable canvas. Rolling it out, you aim for the sweet spot, thin enough to delicately encase the filling, yet sturdy enough to hold its treasures without tearing. Next comes the filling, a hearty, robust mixture of cooked sausage, minced to perfection, combined with creamy ricotta, a handful of grated parmesan for that sharp bite, and a sprinkle of herbs for a burst of freshness. This isn't just cooking, it's alchemy, transforming simple ingredients into gold. Filling each ravioli pocket, you become an artist, carefully crafting each piece, ensuring the edges are sealed tight with a tender press of fork tines. No magic escapes from these little parcels. The climax of this culinary ballet is the boiling, a few minutes in salted, rolling water, and these ravioli rise to the occasion, ready to be adorned with your sauce of choice. Be it a classic tomato basil, a rich and creamy Alfredo, or a bright and zesty lemon butter sauce, it's the final flourish that completes the masterpiece. You ask why not just buy pre-made from the store? But then you'd miss out on the magic, the pride of creation, the joy of sharing a homemade meal with loved ones, and the undeniable truth that homemade just tastes better. It's about slowing down, savoring the moment, and creating something with your own hands that brings comfort and happiness. Sausage ravioli, with its rich filling and tender pasta, becomes more than just a meal. It's a celebration of home cooking, of tradition and innovation mingling on your dinner table. It's a dish that tells a story, one of love, of patience, and of the magic that happens when we bring simple ingredients together in just the right way. And as the last bite disappears, leaving behind a satisfied sigh, you realize that this isn't the end. It's an invitation to explore, to create, and to keep the magic alive, one ravioli at a time. Because in the end, the magic of making sausage ravioli at home isn't just about the food, it's about the memories you create and the hearts you fill, including your own.